works thrice as fast as y. If y alone can complete a job in 18 days, find how many days will x and y together take to complete the job. See, y alone can complete one work equal to 18 days. Since x works thrice as fast, so since x works thrice as fast as y, so x alone can complete one work. He works thrice as fast as y. Okay, so he will do he will complete the work 18 upon 3 means 6 days. Why? Because he is doing fast, thrice fast. So 18 upon 3 means he can do in 6 days. If y can complete the work in 18 days, then x can complete this work in 6 days. Okay, so find how many days will x and y together take to complete the job. So 1 day's work of 1 day's work of x equal to 1 upon 6 part 1 day's work of y equal to 1 upon 18 part 1 day's work of both x and y equal to 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 18. Then 1 day's work of both. Now 18 LCM, 6 3s are 18 plus 18 1s are 18. It is 4 upon 18. 4 upon 18 part. So both x and y can complete one work equal to 1 upon 1 day's work of both, means 4 upon 18. 18 will go up upon 4. 1 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are, it is 9 upon 2. We'll write in mixed number 4 whole 1 upon 2 days. This is the answer, dear students. Question number 11. A tap can fill a cistern in 15 minutes and another can empty it. In 18 minutes. Find in how many minutes the tank will be filled up. So first tap can fill in 15 minutes and second tap can empty it in 18 minutes. So first tap can fill in 1 minute equal to 1 upon 15 part, and second tap can empty in 1 minute equal to 1 upon 18 part. Then find in how many minutes the tank will be filled if, see, both tap will be opened, then Miss cistern will be filled. Why? Because rate of emptying is low and filling rate is more. Why? Because its denominator is less, so it is greater than this. Numerator is same. So both tap can fill in 1 minute equal to 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon 18. LCM 90. 15 6 are 90, 18 5 are 90, 1 upon 90 part. Open. Both taps are opened. Opened. Then both can fill equal to 1 upon, in 1 minute how much they fill. Okay, 1 upon 90. 90 will go up equal to 90 minute. Both can fill the cistern equal to 90 minute. Okay. 13. Two taps running together can fill a bath in 4 minutes, which is filled by one of the taps by itself in 7 minutes. How long would it take if the other pipe is running by itself? So both taps can fill a bath in 4 minutes. So both taps can fill bath in 1 minute equal to 1 upon 4 part of bath, and which is filled by one of the tap by itself in 7 minutes. So one tap can fill the bath in 1 minute equal to 1 upon 7 part. So other tap can fill the bath in 1 minute equal to, both can fill in 1 minute 1 upon 4, one can fill in 1 minute 1 upon 7, so 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 7, it is other tap can fill in 1 minute. Take LCM, 4 7 ja, 7 3 ja, 4 7 ja 28, 7 4 ja, then 3 upon 28 part. So other tap can fill the full bath. Other tap can fill the bath equal to 1 upon 3 upon 28. Okay, in 1 minute it can fill this much, so 1 upon, in 1 minute how much it can fill, we'll write like this. Okay, 1 upon 3 upon 28. 28 will go up, 1 into 28 upon 3, 28 upon 3, then divide it, 3 9 are 27, 9 whole 1 upon 3 minutes. Okay, this is the answer.